Redmi K30i. Redmi K30 might soon get a more affordable sibling that will debut as the Redmi K30i. As per a fresh report, the Xiaomi sub-brand is reportedly gearing up to launch the Redmi K30i as a cheaper alternative to the Redmi K30 in China. Surprisingly, the phone is said to debut later this month, and will be marketed as the most affordable 5G phone in the company's portfolio. Notably, the only difference between the Redmi K30 and Redmi K30i will be the main camera's resolution. IT Home reports, citing a leaked internal document, that the Redmi K30i will feature a 48-megapixel main camera, instead of the 64-megapixel Sony IMX686 sensor packed inside the vanilla Redmi K30. However, there is no word if the 48-megapixel camera on Redmi K30i will employ a Sony sensor or an ISOCELL Bright GM series sensor from Samsung. We have also come across multiple Weibo posts that claim a Redmi K30i will be out later this month as the cheapest 5G phone in Xiaomi's lineup. Redmi K30i price, expected. The rest of the specifications of Redmi K30i will allegedly be identical to that of the Redmi K30. More importantly, the Redmi K30i will reportedly start at 1,799 Chinese yuans, roughly 19,500 rupees. In contrast, the Redmi K30 5G starts at 1,999 Chinese yuans, roughly 21,600 rupees, for the base variant. Additionally, Xiaomi is also tipped to launch another affordable 5G phone at some point in June priced at 1,599 Chinese yuans, roughly 17,400 rupees, that will likely be a new member of the Redmi Note 9 series. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.